Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the gas grill versus charcoal grill. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which of the two grills is better. So, the main difference between gas grills and charcoal grills is seen in their cooking temperatures. In general, charcoal grills possess the ability to reach much higher cooking temperatures than that of gas grills. Generally, to achieve the best cooking outcome, your grill needs to reach temperatures of about 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Charcoal grills are capable of a wide temperature range between 700 and 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Most propane gas grills can only achieve cooking temperatures between 600 and 700 degrees Fahrenheit. While some can reach 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, such gas grills tend to be very expensive and could end up denting your wallet. Regardless, you would be impressed by the temperature control feature of using propane gas grills. Food, flavors, and grilling outcomes. Charcoal grills are the most ideal option for you if you're looking for food with a smoky flavor, while gas grills are a better option if you want a cleaner flavor for your foods. Further, gas grills make it easy for you to grill delicate food options, such as fish, vegetables, and boneless chicken. However, if you want a smoky flavor, you can always purchase a smoke box and add it to your gas grill. Comparatively, charcoal grills guarantee just the right smoky flavor for your pork chops, steaks, chicken, and any other grilled foods that you may like. Price range. Typically, charcoal grills are more budget-friendly picks than the gas grills. Propane gas grills range between $100 and can go up to $3,000, with the most basic model going for the lower price and the most advanced model costing a lot more. Charcoal grills can cost as low as $25, and you can get an advanced model for about $150 to $200, and sometimes up to $1,000. The cost margin between these two products is quite large. Without a doubt, you can always come across a few deals here and there to prevent you from spending a ton. But the whole idea is to ensure that every product you invest in fully matches your grilling needs and preferences. General maintenance. Once you've purchased a gas grill, you're required to consistently refill the propane tanks, check through the fuel lines and gas connections regularly, and replace the briquettes that you're using as often as possible. At the same time, you are required to keep checking out the functionality of the tray, igniter box, and burners to prevent any damage in the long run. When it comes to charcoal grills, all you need to do is add charcoal when the need arises, and keep it clean at all times. Charcoal grills are only challenging to maintain if you're dealing with advanced models, with either gas or electric ignition. In this case, therefore, charcoal grills are much easier to maintain and handle compared to gas grills. Comparison table. From the table above, it's deductible that charcoal grills are a budget-friendly pick and are also less tedious to assemble. Additionally, it requires minimal maintenance to keep them running for a prolonged time period. Another significant difference between the two grills is also seen in the time taken to heat them, where gas grills take less time to heat up, unlike charcoal grills which take much longer. Similarities. Both the gas grill and charcoal grill can achieve smoky flavors in all of your meals. This is especially attainable if you invest in a smoke box for your gas grill. Verdict. So, which is better? Charcoal grills are a better grilling option. First, they provide just the right smoky flavor that you would need on your various meat options. Second, higher heat is a desirable feature when grilling meaty foods outdoors. Regardless, gas grills remain an environment-friendly option for your grilling needs and can produce amazing cooking results. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.